guys, this is Raine with Raine Rochelle. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you all how to start a lip gloss business, where to buy your supplies, and how to make lip gloss. Before I get into the video, if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. The first item you need to start your lip gloss business will be lip gloss base. The bag that I have in my hand is a 3.5 pound bag, and that goes for $72. If you need something a little bit smaller, you can get the 5.5 ounce pack. It comes in a pack of 2. That would be $15. And also you can get the 15 ounce pouch for $20. The second item that you'll need will be syringes. These are the 60cc syringes. These are pretty large, and you're going to need these to fill your lip gloss tube. The third item that you'll need will be your carrier oil. I like to use coconut oil. Number 4, you're going to need your lip flavoring oils. Now, you can get the Loran oils, or you can get the oils by TKB Trading. And in this clip, I am actually at Walmart, but you can get them at Michael's Arts and Crafts or online. Number 5, you're going to need your lip gloss tubes, and these are the 10 milliliter squeeze tubes. And this is optional, but you can also get the 10 milliliter wand tubes. Number 6, you're going to need you some plastic spoons, and you're going to need these so that you can mix all your ingredients together. Number 7 is optional, but this is a larger spoon. If you feel like the plastic spoons are going to be too flimsy, you can always pick up one of these. Number 8, you're going to need a plastic bowl. This is where you'll be putting your Versagel and all your other ingredients. Number 9 is optional. These storage containers, if you don't want to use the plastic bowls, you can use these instead for sturdiness. Next, you'll need measuring cups. I like to get an accurate amount of my oils when I'm putting them into my lip glosses. The next thing you're going to need is your lip pigments. This here is what is going to give your lip glosses the color that it'll need. The smaller square packets as well as these larger packets here, they both are the same. One is just smaller than the other, but these are your cosmetic grade lip powder pigments. All right, so the pink pouch that I'm holding up now, as well as this brown pouch, these are called your lip liquid pigments. They all serve the same purpose, except the lip liquids are a little thicker. Disinfectant wipes, you always need to make sure that your area is clean and sanitized. We can't forget about that hand sanitizer. So let's get into these shipping supplies and extra things. First, you're going to need your scale so that you can weigh your packages, and so you can also keep up with the measurements and the amount of lip gloss base that you want to use. Next, you're going to need something to mail your lip glosses in. So these are bubble mailers. I prefer these mailers over poly mailers because they are a bit thicker. Okay, so the pink mailers are from Amazon and the brown mailers are from the Dollar Tree. These are my fragile stickers. I love them, absolutely love them. You get like 200 in a pack for $5.99, which is super cheap from off of Amazon. Many say they're optional, but not in my book. You need them. Next, you have your cushion wrap. That's the Dollar Tree version, but I call it bubble wrap. This is optional, but I always like to wrap my lip glosses in this first, then add them into my bubble mailer. I'm a little bit extra, and I'm always here for extra security. I'm sure a lot of you all may already have ink pens at home, but I'm here to tell you, you can never have too many ink pens because mine like to run out the room and disappear. Having a notebook is going to be very, very important when you're starting this business because it's going to be a lot of things that you'll need to jot down. Now, these cute little baggies that you see on the screen, they are called organza bags. Sometimes you'll see sheer organza bags. Alright guys, so I just wanted to add this small little clip in before we move forward. So if you do decide that this is for you and you want to start your lip gloss business, please, please, please make sure that if you're getting glitters, pigments, whether it's liquid or powder, please make sure that it is cosmetic grade. And also check to see if it is okay for the use of lips and skin. It sounds like I said youth, but for the use of lips and skin. All right, y'all. Now it's time to spend a little money. You got to spend money to make money. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you all the items that I picked up from here so that you can save a few coins. And the title does say beginner friendly and budget friendly. So let's go inside.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all.
I'm going to add a video here up on the screen for those that feel more comfortable ordering online. Everything you need to start your lip gloss business, all the way down to the lip gloss base, the pigment, the flavoring oils, the utensils, even to the shipping scale now. Don't do too much on my shipping scale. I ordered that back in 2020 when I first started my business. We've been through a lot. But anyways, check out the description box down below so that you can get the direct link to everything that you need. First thing you'll need is a bowl or a plastic storage container. Then you're going to add some lip gloss base or Versagel inside of the container or bowl. So right now I'm aiming for 6 ounces. And what you're going to do after that is grab you your carrier oil, and the oil of my choice is going to be coconut oil. I use a half of a cup. Next, I'm going to add my cosmetic grade lip pigment, and this is Icicle by TKB Trading. Then I'm going to grab a spoonful of the pigment and add it to my mixture. Now, it's going to look a little soupy, but I'm going to add more Versagel to thicken it up a bit. Now I'm going to start mixing everything together until I see my full color in the bowl. So at this point, we're looking for the perfect consistency. So I know you're like, what's the perfect consistency? Well, you don't want it too runny and you don't want it too thick, because if it's too runny when you put it on your lips, it's going to start gliding off your lips. And if it's too thick, your lips are going to be stuck together. So I'm going to continue mixing until I come to a consistency just like that. That's perfect. In the next clip, something happened to my sound, so it's going to start off a little choppy, but I'm just explaining what you're going to be needing next. Paper towel, your syringes, pipettes, lip gloss tubes, your tops, your stoppers, and your lip flavoring oils. So go ahead and add your lip flavoring oil of your choice. Mix it together really, really good. So now what I'm about to do is get my syringe, put it inside of my gloss, pull it and squeeze up, and you can see the gloss filling up to the line. Okay, now we're going to get our pipette and we're going to cut this part off and this part as well. So once you cut the pipette, it should look just like this. And then what you're going to do is get the larger side and put it on here, and it should look just like this. And if you want to put tape on it to make it stay, feel free to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is put this end of the pipette into the lip gloss tube, just like this. And you're going to go from corner to corner. You see me moving corner to corner? That's exactly what we're going to do. So push down the gloss, go from corner to corner, and move all the way up to the top. Now with squeeze tubes, you can feel it all the way to the top. All right, make sure it's full. And that's that. And it should look like this. Now you just want to make sure they're filled all the way to the top, okay? All the way to the top, and definitely make sure the corners of each tube is filled as well. I'm trying to zoom in. It's filled as well. Next, always make sure when you're filling your lip gloss tubes, make sure that you add the stopper. These are the stoppers. Make sure that you press it down tight so that you can hear this sound here. Listen quietly. You heard that? That's how you know you got them in, when you hear that extra air coming out. This is how they should look with the stoppers. And if you find lip gloss around the sides, you can clean it off. So presentation is everything. You don't want to sell your lip glosses with grease all down the tubes and lip gloss coming out. You don't want to do that. So presentation is everything. And next, we're going to add our tops. These are the tops. And make sure that you're putting them on tight. And that is it, y'all. Simple and easy. Now that this video is over with, if you made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a video.